Hello guys, today we have a 2025 Dodge Durango and I'm going to show you how to change the wiper blades. So the driver's side is 22 inches in length and the passenger side is 21 inches long. So all you do is grab a hold of the wiper arm, lift it up. And if you look at the wiper blade itself, you'll see this little black plastic piece here. All you do is put your finger under here and lift up like that. And that unlocks the wiper blade. So then you take the wiper blade like this and push down towards the windshield gently and the blade releases. This is your standard J-hook style wiper arm, so be careful. This does not, it's spring loaded, so be careful it does not smack the windshield. So once you get your new wiper blade, take it like this, insert it into the wiper arm and then lift up. Lock it into place and gently fold the wiper arm back on the windshield. Same thing for the other side. Alright, now for the rear wiper blade, this is 12 inches in length. Alright, the first step, take this cover, lift it up like that, and then take the wiper arm, lift it up. Okay, now we can remove the wiper blade from the wiper arm, lift up on the blade like this, and then pull it out. You can see this part here where it hinges on the wiper arm. Take your new blade, insert it like this. You hear it click in, another click, fold it back down on the glass, put your cover back on, and that is it. Well, that completes the wiper blade change. I hope you liked it. Hit that like button if you did. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.